Hi, in this video, let me show you how you can change your picture mode and also audio settings on your FPD television. This is a Google TV FPD television, yes. Okay, so what you need to do is to press the settings button on the remote here. If you don't have a remote with the settings, go all the way up and go all the way towards the right side. Press OK and this will open. Go down this menu. And here we're going to have display and sound. If you press on display, you're going to have everything that is related to the picture mode. So you have picture mode, backlight, brightness of your screen, okay, contrast. You can change everything of these. And if you want more, press advanced settings and you're going to get even more things you can change and adjust. There's many of them, so take your time. Let me go back. Now, if you want to change the audio, you go back on this menu and instead of display, select sound. If I select sound again, I'm gonna have the sound style and many different things. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.